The automatic controls for mirrors, windows, and doors are standard on your 567 and are conveniently located on your driver's door. Controls for door locks and windows are located on the door pad. If your vehicle is equipped with power mirrors, the mirror controls will be located on the driver's side door pad as well. Mirrors can be adjusted in 4 directions. Power door lock rocker switches are located on the door pad also. To lock or unlock both cab doors as well as a sleeper door, depress any door lock switch that displays a padlock symbol. Power window rocker switches are located on the door pad also. Depress the switch to open the window or pull up on the switch to close the window. The driver's side window has an express down feature. Pushing on the switch all the way down until the switch bumps will activate it.